Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Zainab from CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's headlines: Pakistan has reminded the international community that Kashmir is not just a territorial dispute between India and Pakistan. It is mainly about what the people of Kashmir want. The US Justice Department charged three Sri Lankans with supporting terrorism for their participation in the 2019 Easter attack that killed 268 people. The provinces of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have come out in support of the presidential reference before the Supreme Court, seeking an opinion and open ballot for upcoming Senate election. Hours after major power breakdown plunged the entire country into darkness, Energy Minister Umar Ayub said that power supply was expected to be completely restored soon. One Twitter wagged joke about lights flickering on and off at the White House being Donald Trump signaling to his followers in Morse code after Twitter and Facebook slashed the president for inciting rebellion. Indonesian drivers located parts of the wreckage of a Boeing 737 to 500 at the depth of 23 meters in the Java Sea. A day after the aircraft with 62 people on board crashed shortly after takeoff from Jakarta. At least four people were injured in an explosion in Turbat Cinema Bazaar in Balochistan. 11 members of royal family of the United Arab Emirates arrived in Panchgore area of Makran division to hunt Hobra bustard, according to the sources. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.